The Confederation of African Football is concerned about the raid by the Hawks on the South African Football Association headquarters. The Hawks Serious Commercial Crime Investigation Unit raided the association's office last week, Friday. The Commercial Crime Unit conducted a search and seizure operation at the SAFA offices in Nasrec, Johannesburg. They seized laptops, USBs, and hard drives belonging to the association. The Hawks are claiming allegations of fraud and theft amounting to 1.3 million rand. Hawks spokesperson Colonel Katlego Mogale gave details on the matter. He said the allegations are that between 2014 and 2018, SAFA President Danny Jordan used the organization's resources for his personal gain. These include hiring a private security company for his personal protection. In addition, he hired a public relations company without authorization from the SAFA board. The CAF released a statement that said, CAF is looking into this matter based on and in accordance with the CAF and FIFA statuses and regulations, and has requested SAFA to provide CAF with a report indicating that SAFA and its president, Danny Jordan, at no stage and no circumstances violated or breached the CAF and FIFA statuses and regulations. Whilst the allegations made by the Hawks Serious Commercial Crime Investigation Unit are serious, in line with the international legal principles and jurisprudence, SAFA and Jordan are presumed to be innocent until an appropriate judicial body concludes otherwise. CAF has also requested SAFA to provide it with any other information or facts which SAFA and Jordan would like to bring to the attention of CAF. SAFA dismissed the Hawks' allegations and they have vowed to take legal action. They said, "We want to set it out from the onset that we believe the search was unlawful, malicious, and not conducted in terms of the directives of warrant given to us. SAFA was not furnished with all documents prescribed by law. The documents that were furnished by the Hawks during the shameful raid were incomplete and unlawful. We contend that it was done deliberately and intentionally in order to action this malicious action. As a result of this, we have instructed our attorneys to bring an urgent application to review and set aside the search and seizure. We have further instructed our attorneys to bring a formal complaint to the oversight arbitrator of Hawks regarding the action of all involved members. SAFA will institute civil action for defamation of character against those involved in the naming of SAFA President's name. In an ongoing investigation, we continued that this is unethical and unlawful, as the police never mentioned anyone's name in matters that are under investigation. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.